Hi guys, you guys have already got my advance information for the blocking of your date for 23rd March, yeah? This message is for taking you all on a special jet ski ride. I find a lot of similarities between our life and this jet ski ride. Firstly, the vast expanse of sea, I think, is the world we live in. Sometimes calm, sometimes rough, and always with endless possibilities. And second, are we not all tiny, inconsequential specks in the ocean, with little in our control, but still scheming, planning in endless ways to outmaneuver each other? Yeah? Sounds familiar? Sometimes we are cruising on our jet skis, enjoying the wind and the surf in our face, and sometimes when the going gets tough, we get scared. Thirdly, on this jet ski ride, we never bother about the destination. Destination ko kiska pada hai. Similarly, it should be in life. It's the journey we should enjoy and not the destination, because the destination is not in sight. There's, however, one small difference. The jet ski, the fuel in the jet ski, we can all see in the fuel tank. But life's jet ski, the fuel is unknown. That the fuel in your life's jet ski will finish, everyone knows. But when will it finish, no one knows. So, in life we are on our individual jet skis, not knowing कि jet ski का fuel कब खत्म होगा, but still worrying about the fuel and the ocean and the destination, all of which अपने control में नहीं है. What we could do is to enjoy the jet ski ride जब तक fuel है, और उसके बाद कुछ नहीं. So let me show you my jet ski ride. Well guys, I now realize that I'm going to be 60 and the fuel tank in my jet ski is already showing in the red zone. However, this gives me a strange sense of achievement rather than having any fear, because I think I have lived my life to the fullest and have you as my friends, and with God's grace and your good wishes been able to add life to my years, and not only years to my life. My jet ski has seen many adventures, and frankly I have no regrets. So to celebrate life, we are having a get together 23rd March, yeah, and the invite is already sent to you. After this, you will be receiving an app which is specially created. I was quite shocked that all the legacy that I claim to have made just comes as a small circle in your mobiles. But please spend time on the app. बहुत मेहनत लगा बनाने में. It has various sections. You can see them at their own leisure. I'm sure you will overlook the complete absence of decency and humility in this effort. Life, they say, is all about making mistakes, and death is wishing you had made some more. I'm sure this is one of those mistakes. After 60 years, my jet ski will probably have some more fuel for some more adventures, which I would want very much to do with you. And I look forward to celebrate with you all. See you. Love you. God bless. Cheers.